So Sydney and I are walking down Christensen Drive towards the Alaska Railroad. We're gonna be taking the train. It's about a 8 or 9 hour train trip today. I wanted to show you these cool, I think, there's my beautiful girl. I think they may be the different types of salmon that are in Alaska. I'm pretty certain they're the salmon. At least they're fish. I know that much. But anyway, that's a rail yard. And if you look out there, I have to try to zoom in. There's the water, rail yard. And then I'll keep zooming and I'll zoom back out. And then our train station. That train right there, that black and yellow one, that's the one we'll be riding on shortly. Okay, we're heading out. We're heading out. There's our train. It's yellow and blue. Whoop, whoop. We're in A train. A for Amanda. A for Alaska. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so we're on the train, and we have a table, and it's a 4-seat booth that we can sit in. And do you think we're in the caboose of the train? And Sydney is gonna probably be going backwards. I think the way the train is going, we feel that we're at the end of it, which it's going to kind of be maybe crappy for her. I hope she doesn't get motion sickness, but we'll see. But no one else is going to be sitting with us, so that's going to be a good thing. I'll try to vlog as much as I can, but I may just be taking on still photos and then going back and talking about it after the fact. We'll see how it goes, because it's quite loud on the train, and I didn't bring a microphone, and I didn't bring it on the train, and I didn't really think about vlogging this whole train ride. I really just kind of wanted to enjoy it, so I might just take some still photos and stuff. So we'll see how it goes. We are in Whittier, and we got off the train for a little bit. We could have done a little day excursion into the glaciers, but it was a little bit out of my price point range. Plus, I wanted to kind of continue on the train with Sydney, and so we could look at some other items. And just to see what else we could see, but I'm going to just shut my mouth and show you some of the sights here at Whittier. There's not a lot here, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I can see. We only have about 20-ish minutes off of the train before we have to get back on, so we're gonna walk around for a little bit and then get back on. There's Sydney doing her vlogging. There's our train. There's the mountains. Alright, so we got off the train at the Grandview whistle stop, and we get to go up and look at some stuff. We're about 1,000 feet up in altitude. It's quite warm out, and as you can see, there's very little snow in any of the mountains. There's Sydney. And it's only about a quarter of a mile up. I'll see what's at the end of this path. That's bear poop. Alright, we made it to the end of the trail. This is it. love it as much as I do. I don't know. And in this busy life, we always have to take a moment and breathe and appreciate the world around us.